Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am making a custom spread for one of my patrons over on Patreon. This one is for Sharon. Sharon, thank you so much for being a patron again this month. I am going to make her a barbecue themed spread because she's going to have a family reunion barbecue, which is super exciting. Those are always fun. So I have some images that I got from Etsy. I'll have the link down in the description if you're interested in purchasing these images. There were tons of options from this file that I purchased. There were just, yeah, all kinds of fun images on there. So I just printed out a bunch, put that on my Cricut, cut them out, made them into stickers. So I'm gonna use this one. I love the color scheme too and the illustrations. Really, really cute. And then I'm gonna bring in boxes and other stuff, functional stuff for this spread. So yeah, that's the idea for this spread. It's gonna look really cute, lots of fun. I'm gonna bring in some washi first because I have some good striped washi. I'm thinking the red. I really like this blue, but I don't know if this blue, I don't have another blue. That's funny. Do I? I kind of like this blue because it feels more, yeah, I guess it kind of goes. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. I didn't want it to be too like 4th of July looking, so I'm trying to avoid that, but I feel like that's a nice blue. So I'm gonna go with this one. And I'm just gonna add some washi down first. So I think that's a good place to start. And I think I might alternate it. Like I'm gonna go top and bottom and then alternate the colors. And then put some on the bottom over here. I love barbecues. Barbecue is my favorite. Like all kinds of barbecue. Of course, American barbecue. And I love Korean barbecue. It's so good, just all things. It's like all like my kind of comfort food that I love to eat. Okay, next is the blue. Oh yeah, that's gonna look really nice. Good pop of pattern and color. This one's gonna be a fun spread to make. And then I'll have to date this too because she does, obviously since it's for a barbecue reunion, there is a date in mind. So I will have to date this because I have some undated pages here. And I think I'm gonna grab some like KellofaPlan. I think she has, does she have the dated book? I think she does. One of the dated books, either KellofaPlan or Mojo, Jojo, or Mojo Jojo plans. Yeah, those. All right, then I have these fun little flags, these little banners. We'll add some of these because these are nice to put on the spread, make it festive. Just gonna place them. And then I'll do the green one, the green and blue one. I'm gonna put it like in the middle of the page. And just cut it here. I'll have to like put something here, I think. Or maybe I'll cut it here. I'll layer something on top so it doesn't look so awkward that I cut it there. That'll be kind of fixed. All right, we have a cute barbecue. There were a couple of options on the barbecue. I'm telling you, this file, it was about $4.30. Yeah, $4.30. Like $4.30 for this file, for all these files. And there were options like you could pick the color of the grill. They had like just the bottom part of the grill, the top, the lid part with nothing on it. So you can make your own little scene there. So I like that whenever I look at files online for a spread, I always look at the options that they give you because definitely get obviously more for what you're paying for, and then more choices, more options they get to pick. And then this little sign had like barbecue party lettering. You got to pick the lettering. I picked the white one. I think there was red and blue, but I felt like the white just popped off the black, more like chalkboardy kind of looking. So I went with that. All right, so that barbecue party, love that. You know what? Let me grab some boxes. I feel like I need to do boxes, and then I can add some more stuff. So I have this summer book because I like the colors in here. Like that's a nice blue, and then I got red. So I can kind of mix in this blue. I don't want to do green and red because then that's Christmassy. I'm trying to avoid like certain, like, I don't want it to look Christmassy and I don't want it to look 4th of July. So I'm trying to avoid those two, but we'll see if I'm able to do that. Because a lot of these colors kind of like that. Okay, so I'm gonna put a nice long checklist or a list there because I always like to have some kind of list for there. Let me grab a red, another box over here. Okay, actually, let me get the blue. I was gonna do this. It kind of matches the washi, so that's why I'm leaning towards that one. So I'll grab this one for the weekend. I always like to put a double box over here, and then let me get a red box to layer on top. I'm just gonna get this vertical box. I'll just layer it this way, and then I can add stuff here. Okay, let me go back to the decor stuff. I really love the tongs and the spatulas and all that kind of stuff. So maybe I can layer some of these together. I want to put some over here. Got barbecue party. Let's see, let's add, I think I want to do a burger over here, and then I'll do like these little skewers. I'll do a couple of these together. I always love eating these. These are always good. Okay, let's just stick this down here. Some of the food. Okay, that looks good. And the other great thing about making like your own stickers with these files is you get to size everything how you want. For me, I always feel like a lot of stickers and books are too small. I like more like the bigger stuff, like bigger images on my pages. I know it takes up more room and I won't be able to put as much, but I feel like it gives more of an impact on the page rather than like small little things here and there. So yeah, I like that I'm able to, you know, pick and choose what I want on the spread. Like I really love this apron, so I'm gonna have to figure a way to add this in. Maybe like here. Kind of just want to add it. And then I can layer stuff with it. Like on top. Like boxes probably. Okay, so let me grab a box. I feel like it needs to be a red box too. Let's see, I have this size. So I'm gonna just layer a box on top. Like so. Let me grab some more blue boxes. And then, oh, don't I have any small ones? Fun. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do this a little differently. Let me see, let me put one here. Oh, and I could do checklists or bullet points. I think I'm gonna go with bullet points because I don't really have a lot of space to add a checklist over here, but I do have enough space for bullet points. So let me grab one of these little red blue ones here. Let's see, I'll put one here. And then I could actually add a vertical box over here. It's a little tight, but you know what, I'm gonna do it here. Oh no, this will be good. And then maybe I can add a red box with that. Let's do this one just on the edge. Okay, feel like that's a good amount of boxes. See how like it looks so full, but again, I love the look of it looking full. So yeah, I'm happy with that. So let's see, I still have, oh, I want to do maybe a watermelon. I have a hot dog. I like the watermelon. I think it's cute. Watermelon's cute. Let's do a watermelon over here. Kind of coming off the page. Coming off the page a little bit more maybe. Okay. Alright, that's cute. I also really love the mustard and ketchup little bottles, but I also need to add food on this side because I don't have food on this side. I need a food item. Okay, I got a hot dog. Let's add a hot dog over here. That's cute. Okay, let's see. I really like this picture of lemonade. So we'll add that there. Fills in that space nicely. And then, already got some of the utensils here. I really want to add the tongs. I'll just add, no, it's a little much. Oh, no, it's staying, it's staying. It's not much anymore because it's staying now. All right, and then I do have, let's see. I feel like I need yellow over here. Got to yellow, so let me just add the mustard. You know what, maybe I can do it a little lower so it's not getting into the box too much. We'll do mustard and ketchup. So I feel like those need to be on the spread. That's cute. Oh my goodness, so cute. All right, cool. I think that's pretty adorable. Now I'm just gonna add some bullet points in, and maybe, let me add in one more red box over here because I feel like I only have one. I definitely need at least two on this side. So let me put one here. Oh, so cute, so fun. And then I'm gonna add some bullet points in a couple of places. I'm gonna grab the blue color. So got these nice little bullet point dots. Oh. Okay, got a lot of red right here. So let me break this up with some blue. Oops. Couple dots here. I guess I'm just gonna do blue dots. I do one here. And a couple over here. And then I have one more book. I'm gonna try to just throw in a couple other things just to see if I can. Oh, you know what? I also have one more of these. Let me just stick it here. Why not? That's cute. Okay. Ah, adorable. All right, cool. So yeah, I'm gonna go into one more book just to get a couple, if I can maybe fit maybe headers or something. But the blue in here, I think will match this blue I have in here, which I don't think I really use very much. Yeah. Okay, so I have some nice like headers that I can use. Yeah, it kind of goes. We'll go with that. I'm gonna just add some headers. I might have red, but I don't know if I do. Just gonna grab these. Remember, actually, let me put it this way. So I wish you could still use this spot, like the space to write. Honestly, any like white space, that's for me, that's all I need to use for a spread. It's usually how I use these planners. Okay, that doesn't work. Let's do big plans over here. Okay, it's so full, but I love it. It's good, it's good. Let's see what else. Let me see if I have red. Oh, I do. So I can add a little bit of headers over here too. We got priority. Let's do a don't forget. Well, I'll do don't forget over here. And important. Okay, I think that looks pretty cool. All right. And then the last thing I need to do is just get some dated stickers. I can date this for her. So I went with the first book I could find, which was the Jojo one. And I'm just gonna check my calendar. Okay, so her event is on the 21st. So I need to date it from the 16th through the 22nd. Okay, so let me get my number or my numbers, see what color. Oh, this is all black. Oh no, I need to grab another one. I don't want black. Okay, rainbow, that'll work. All right, so I think I wanna do red. Okay, I have to try to choose a font style. I like this one. Yeah, we're gonna go with these. These are fun. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go with red numbers on top. Red. Yeah, because this blue isn't the right kind of blue, even though that's kind of like that one, but I don't want it to be that prominent. So we're gonna go with these. So I need to start at, let me make sure I did this right. The 21st, which is the Saturday, is the barbecue. So let's go with that one first. 21. And then 22 is next. And then 20, 19. Oh. 19. Oh, it looks so cute. And then 18 and 17 and 16. Okay, cool. So 16, 17, and 18. Perfect. All right, so cute. That is gonna be my spread for Sharon. So Sharon, I hope you like your spread. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Oops, I just realized this little part. Okay, hold on. I know what to do with this. I totally forgot about that part. Sometimes, like, when I finish, I realize, like, oh wait, I'm not done yet. So I'm gonna take just this little portion of this sticker, which has the little bow part, the little tied off part, and stick it on here. Okay, that fixes that issue. All right, so now that that's done, yeah, this is gonna be my spread for Sharon. So Sharon, I hope you like your spread. I hope you enjoy having fun at your barbecue. I'm sure you will. Family barbecues sounds like an amazing time. But yeah, I hope you like your spread. I hope you all enjoyed watching me create this spread for Sharon. If you did enjoy watching, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.